Exit question. Answer the following. Use a different color font for your response. Do not use yellow. I cannot see yellow. Number 1. What was the name of the online tool that we used in class today for our lesson? Hint, look at this fruit emoji to help you. Number 2. When you are finished with all of your assignments in my Science Google Classroom, what are you supposed to click so that I get all your work returned to me for grading? Hint, it's a button with your attached assignments. Starts with T. Number 3. If there is anything you need to ask me or need help with, you can type it here. I will do whatever I can to help you. We got this. And don't forget to click Turn In the Google Classroom to send your work back to me.